Hello there, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Brian. So today I'll be showing you how you can deploy any website either using Vercel or Netlify. So the first one that we're going to be looking at is deploying using Vercel. So just go to vercel.com and you'll be brought to this page. So remember you can sign in or sign up. If you have an account, you can log in, sorry. And if you don't have an account, then you can sign up. Very simple. And remember, you have to have had either a GitHub account, a GitLab account, or maybe a Bitbucket account. It's required at least to be having those ones before you try to deploy your website or web application. So we are going to use GitHub because that's the account that I have. So you can just press it and it will authenticate you. And let's wait. I already have an account, so yeah. Here after you've logged in, so you'll be brought to this the dashboard. So from here, remember, you can import just your projects from this dashboard or from this part that you have brought, and it's very simple. Yeah, so you can just look there, like I'm already in. Yeah, that's my email. Now from here, you'll just have to import your project because all these projects are already in GitHub. Yeah, like I had pushed them in GitHub. So yeah, so you'll just need to import them. And remember, you can even add more than one account if you have. You can see there, you can add even other accounts if you have them. But for me, I only have one GitHub account. So if you have multiple, you can still add them, no problem. So we are going to use this one, AI image generator. So we'll just need to import it. So this AI image generator is from one of the videos that I had made earlier. So let's press the deploy and let's deploy it. So remember, from here you have the part of the project name, so you can change the project name as per what you desire, as what you want. And even at this part, you can even be able to choose the language that your project is using. And still here, you just need to change the root directory. It's very important, especially if your website is not in the specific directory. Example, like if it has more than 2 folders, you need to put it in the folder that has all your projects. I don't know if you understand. Yeah, like it's very important. Then let's press the deploy part. Let's just wait for it to deploy. Remember, deploying using Vercel is more easier. Yeah, so it's deployed successfully. You can see the congratulations text, and yeah, and even the confetti. Yeah, it's deployed successfully. So let's just try and view how it is. Let's go to, first of all, let's try and view it. Yeah, let's go to the dashboard and see how it's going to be. Yeah, so you can see, like, but remember, it's very nice at least for you to change the domain name or the subdomain name, sorry, because that's not the domain, like the subdomain name. As you can see, like yeah, it has that subdomain. It's very long and I don't like it, so but you're going to change it later. And that's the domain. So let's just look at it in a browser, how it looks, how the project looks. So let's see. Yeah, so you can see, like, it's deployed successfully. So here it is. Yeah, but I don't like that domain name, so we can just change it. Just move to the part of the domains, and yeah, you can see that part of edit. You can just edit edit it as per your want or as your need. So let's do this. Let's try to put at least here some words and see if it's going to work. But remember, if the domain name that you want to change it to, if it already exists, it's going to give you an error because it's already registered with the Vercel. It's already registered with Vercel account. Okay, so but you can just choose from any other ones. So example, you can see like AI image generator is already chosen, like someone else has already made an application using the same domain, so you'll have to choose another domain name. So you can add the word in JavaScript, in JS. But remember, domain, you're not supposed to leave a space. Okay, so it still gives us an error. So let's change that space and put just a dash. Yeah, so you can see like everything is okay. AI image generator in JS, Vercel.app. So as you can see, yeah, it's already deployed successfully. Now let's move to the other. And remember, like after you have changed the domain name, like the previous one is going to be deleted, as you can see here. Like the previous one has already been deleted, so this now is the current one that you're going to. This is now the current name of where the application has been deployed. Yeah, so it's very simple and very easy. So if you like it, yeah, please don't forget to give it a like or a subscribe. The second one is deploying it using Netlify. So remember, like deploying using Netlify or Vercel is almost the same, but here in Netlify it's almost the same. You just need first of all to go to netlify.com. If you have an account, then you can just log in. If you don't have an account, then you can just sign up. It's very simple, and the process is almost the same as Vercel, but I'll be showing you using another method. Instead of importing it from our account, we're going to be using the drag and drop method. Now here, let me try to log in, because I think I already have an account with Netlify. Still the same. If you want to use the import method, you need to have a GitHub account, a GitLab account, or a Bitbucket account. If you don't know like what GitHub is, or what GitLab is, or what Bitbucket is, remember, like these are just platforms where you usually like put all your codes. Okay, where you usually put all your codes. So from here, since I already have an account, I'm going to log in using GitHub. Yeah, it's still going to authenticate me. It's going to take some minutes, so a minute or so, depending with your internet connection. Yeah, so I'm in. As you can see, like, yeah, I already had an account previously, so yeah. So from this part, you can other part add new site. So you can either import using an existing project, either from those accounts that I had told you, or yeah, you can see from here you can deploy using GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or even DevOps. Yeah, it's almost the same as Vercel, but I'm not going to be showing you that part. So I told you I'm going to be showing you another one. So let's try using that with GitHub, and yeah, still authenticating. Yeah, and yeah, so but from here we are going to deploy it manually. Okay, manually. When you deploy using manually, that means that you're going to be using the drag and drop method. Yeah, so but it's very nice if you're going to use the drag and drop method if your application or if your website just deals with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. So from here, I already have the same application, that's the AI image generator. So I'm going to take all the files and just drop it into Netlify. Yeah, so it's going to take a minute or so. Yeah, so it's already uh, it's already published. So let's see. Yeah, you can see like, yeah, that project had only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah, you can see us from that part. And then you have the asset part, which has all the images that we are using. So you can see like everything, like it's deployed successfully. So let's try and see how it looks. Yeah, so here it is. Here is the application. As you can see, it's deployed successfully and it has a different URL, but remember, like, still the same as the one as this, still the same as Vercel. You can change the URL as per your needs. Okay, but remember, if the URL that you're going to try to choose, if it already exists, then it's going to give you an error. So you're going to need to change it, like, until you get the perfect one that you want. But that URL is so long. Okay, you can't give someone that URL. If you want to change it, you can just move to the part of the deploy settings, and from this part you're going to get all the details about how you can change the URL name or the domain name. And remember, using this or these domains that has the extension that is .vercel or .netlify, they have their downwards or their disadvantage, because remember, like, they don't have that good SEO. So if you just search them like on using Google, you're not going to find them as part of the website that are being suggested, because their SEO is really down. That's why, like, they are free. That's why they are free to deploy, and even the domains are free because the SEO are not that great. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like it or subscribe it. And yeah, so if you have any question, remember, like, you can just post it on the comment section and I'll be sure to get it back to you. Yeah, so you can go and check this AI image generator that we had made previously. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye.